Hello, Internet, and on this occasion, these small cheap locks are back once again, but this time, I'm just gonna try to pick it open. There's one. Okay, now that I know I can open this one by picking, I'm going to try and break this one open. Oh, that's reassuring. Did not set at all. Now, I will never use something this cheap to ever secure anything again. And I will tell everyone who will listen that locks like this, these small cheap locks, are utter crap. Seriously, don't use crap like this. I just inserted the rake and it popped open. So let's try somebody else here. I have some time. There we go. Laminate ribbon was actually keeping me from completely turning there. So once again, unlocked. Let's see if I can rake this one open. these logs, by being so comparative crap, I might have actually make them break proof for me. That I, with my rake skills, would not be able to open these until I am a lot better at it. Which is kind of the opposite of what I was hoping for. That these small, cheaply made logs would be especially vulnerable to this, but kind of rebuild my rake confidence and go back and tackle more standard fare. But no, this seems to have entirely backfired. Well, at least I know I can still pinpick these, so there's that. So until next time, subscribe if you want, and most importantly, have a nice day.